cherry compote, fresh cherry 500 gram, sugar 250 gram, lemon 1, water 1/4 of a cup, cornflour slurry 2 tablespoons, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence. Into a saucepan, add the de-seeded cherries followed by the sugar and stir well. Add a little amount of water to it, around the 1/4 cup of water to it, and let it boil well. Close it with a lid and keep it in sim flame. You can add the cinnamon powder or the vanilla essence after 15 minutes of boiling, and then make a slurry out of corn flour and add the slurry to it for thickening. Your most delicious cherry compote is ready. Cherry from Chile 500 grams. Cherry cheesecake dessert jar. Take a nice broad bottle which has a lovely shape. To this, mix the almond powder with some coconut sugar and a few teaspoons of melted butter. Mix it in such a way that it has a sandy texture. Place it into the jar as a first layer. On top of that, add some pistachios which are also roughly chopped up as a second green layer. Fill it up with this cherry compote. Add some more of the almond meal coconut sugar mixture to it. Add broken bits of brownies to it. Beat up some whipped cream with cream cheese and pipe it around the next layer. Repeat the layers and you have a lovely cherry cheesecake jar dessert.